set this up. All right, so welcome back to the stream. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to show you exactly where to look on your tax form or your tax return to see if you qualify and get, or not if you qualify, how much of the $7,500 tax credit you will actually get. I guess this is just me a quick tip video on it. It's because we've got a sample 1040 pulled up right here, and you can go exactly to the line that you need to look at to see if this number is above 7,500 on your previous one for when you file for your taxes in 2024. Then you can go in and actually get that rate for your 2023 taxes. So if you're just joining in, my name is Dennis. I love talking about Tesla hacking, as I like to call it, but basically just getting the best deal on a Tesla at the best possible price, or just getting really good financing on your Tesla. So if you're interested in any of that, please hit that subscribe. And today's video is actually sponsored by my Patreon link down below in the description if you want to support the channel, but more on that later. All right, so let's take a look at this. Of course, when you file for your taxes, then again, this is like the biggest misconception with the tax credit or the EV tax credit. Most people think it's about like what type of refund you get at the end of the year when you file for your taxes next year. If you only get a refund for $2,000, then you're not going to get anything more. And there's a lot of like terminology that gets confusing with all that stuff. But this is the easiest way to do it. I've mainly told people if you are a W-2 employee that makes about $75,000 or more, then you actually already pay a federal tax liability throughout the year of about $8,000. So you're going to get that full $7,500 back. But if you don't actually believe that, just go to your old last tax form. Of course, this is a really blurry picture, unfortunately. Oh, actually, it's really clear now. All you have to do is go to line 44, and you can see how much tax you've paid last year. So in this example, this person only paid $4,259 throughout that last year. And so, of course, they would not actually get the full $7,500. They would actually get $4,259 back instead. But if this was $7,500, because this person only made $50,000 in wages and all that stuff in this example, but if this person made, let's say, $80,000, which that's the number we've been referencing, or even $75,000, let's say we put in this, handy dandy income tax calculator right here. You can see we put in 75,000, and the federal taxes for 2022 was 9,268. So they would get that full $7,500 back if, of course, there was no other deductions, liabilities, and all that stuff from that. So hopefully that clears it up. This is a sample 1040 from, I don't even know what year this is. Well, actually, that's a long time ago, so 2010, but that's really where you can start. And if you don't believe this, if you don't believe that, talk to a CPA, not a tax pro, but a CPA where you can find them, and just ask them point blank, like, if I bought a EV in 2022, how much would I actually get back when I file for your taxes, when I file for taxes in 2023? So hopefully that makes sense for this video. Hopefully that makes sense to you, but comment down below if this makes sense or if it doesn't. And if comment down below if you've already talked to a CPA and this is exactly it. Just take a look at line 44 and hopefully you'll understand from there. But thanks for watching this video. This video is actually sponsored by my Patreon link. Down in the description, there's Patreon.